Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. Thanks so much for every single one of you who has clicked on today's video. You know, that means that you guys most likely have turned on the notification bell. If you do not yet, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications, that way you never miss out my uploads on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Yes, I said it. Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I'm trying to start posting videos on Mondays, and I guess since I haven't recorded a proper video in a couple of weeks, I'll just go ahead and get the announcements out of the way. Number one, I will attempt to post vlogs of my life on Mondays. So basically through the week I'm going to be recording clips of behind the scenes, just so you guys know what exactly happens outside of like these review videos that you guys watch. Hopefully you guys are interested in, you know, watching that side of, you know, my life. So stay tuned for the Monday uploads. Now Wednesdays and Saturdays we will still be incorporating the unboxing videos, review videos, just all that good stuff related to like clothes and shoes that I know a lot of you guys love, and main reason why you guys are here. So third thing is I haven't properly mentioned this in any of my old videos, but as you guys may or may not have noticed, most of the videos on my YouTube channel are gone, and the reason being is because of the YouTube strike that I got a couple weeks ago. So the reason why I took them down is just because I didn't want to run the risk of getting a second strike, which can possibly lead to a third, and third leads to termination. So you guys, if you are an OG to the channel, you would know that I've been doing YouTube for over 2 years. You would also know that I have spent more than $20,000 just on equipment alone. And if you don't believe me, then you must follow my Instagram, because I do show behind the scenes of all the equipment that I actually own, that I use. Just everything is just ridiculous. But this is just a hobby that I enjoy doing, and I just happen to make a YouTube channel, and here we are. So hopefully you guys can still support my channel, still support the content. I know a couple people have left the channel. I did notice a drop on subscribers after I deleted all my videos, but as I have mentioned on my Instagram platform, I am going to be re-uploading most of my old videos. I'm just doing some small tweaks that probably you guys won't even notice, but it's just for me to be safe. So with all of that out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into today's haul. So basically, here we have a pile of clothing pieces that I have accumulated in the past month or two. Videos that I never got to film, so I'm just going to go ahead and review all of this at once. And most of these have been washed, have been worn. Sorry, I had to yeah, put Cody on timeout for now. But anyway, so again, I've worn some of these pieces. Some I believe have already made it to outfits of the day on my Instagram reels. Again, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you are missing out on some very exclusive content. So we will go ahead and start with the first t-shirt. And my apologies, that is a little bit wrinkled, but it's because it was on the pile for me to go wash it today. So the first t-shirt I want to go ahead and show you is this Ami Paris shirt that I found on DHGATE. Ami Paris is a brand that I've been, you know, kind of like keeping an eye on them for a very long time. I actually hope that whenever winter comes around again, I am able to purchase one of like the crew necks that has like the big heart and the letter A on the chest area. So now I was actually planning to buy that crew neck for Christmas, but the prices, I know they go on sale, but you would have to wait a couple of months, you know, basically until winter is over for you to get them at below $500. So anyways, hopefully for this year I can go ahead and pull the trigger on that. For now, I just have a couple shirts that I want to wear for summer. So this one right here is one. It fits very boxy and kind of like cropped. This one right here, I believe, is a size medium, if I'm not mistaken. I will correct myself on the screen as I edit if this happened to be another size. But that is pretty much it. The print on it is a very good quality print, in my opinion. So for the price that I paid and what I received in the mail, I think I got a good deal. Alrighty, now moving on to the next. This one right here is a little bit of a fail. I do not plan to keep this t-shirt. So what I will go ahead and do, I might just take it to my local Plato's Closet and see if they want it. So this one right here, it was supposed to be a t-shirt by Casablanca, another brand that I've been keeping my eye on. Most of their t-shirts go from $150 to like $300. It depends on the logo or kind of like the style that it has on it. The simpler it is, obviously the cheaper it is. Now Casablanca, I've heard that they have really high quality clothing garments, so hopefully this year I am able to add my first retail piece. I do have a couple of their t-shirts on my Farfetch wish list, so again, hopefully I'm able to purchase at least a shirt. That way I can kind of get a feel of, you know, if the quality is really there. Alrighty, the next t-shirt right here, we have another Represent t-shirt. This one right here is from the most recent collaboration that they did. Kind of like the Racing Club collab that they did. I don't know if I'm doing wrong by saying collab, but here we have the chest logo. We have the white with green puffer print logo, and on the back is where pretty much all the time it's like the money is on the back, you know what I'm saying? Right here we got the Represent Racing Club, and hopefully the camera, you guys are able to see the details very good, but this t-shirt right here is one of my favorites out of this haul, if not my favorite. We'll see at the end of the video, but so far this t-shirt right here with like a pair of shorts looks fire. Again, I believe this t-shirt may be on one of my reels. I do plan to have a proper photo shoot with this t-shirt here, hopefully this weekend. I'm not sure how my schedule is gonna go. Alrighty, next t-shirt. Actually, I take it back. This shirt right here that I'm about to show you is my favorite t-shirt out of this entire haul. So, this one right here is a Balenciaga t-shirt that I found. This one is from a seller that I have used before, and I just happened to click on his store and I saw this t-shirt, but the seller never responded to me whether the sizing was Asian size or American sizes. So I just went to the reviews section, and I noticed that a lot of people were commenting that it was an oversized fit. So I went ahead and purchased, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is a size small. Again, I'll correct myself on the screen if I'm wrong, but I believe this is size small, so it is pretty oversized. Again, there should be a post on my Instagram wearing this t-shirt already, if I'm not mistaken. If there isn't, 100% sure I am, sooner than later, we'll be posting an outfit with this here. So, the main thing I like about the t-shirt, first of all, this seller I would say is 10 out of 10 in my opinion. The quality of the t-shirt is 8+. It does have the details, you know, that it should have, which like the rips, the kind of like the washed fade, the distress on the neck lining, and just all over the t-shirt we have a lot of distressing, which I just think it's super nice. And also the t-shirt is very heavy, so it just falls very nicely on your body. So one of my favorites. Orange and mustard yellow are just some of my favorite colors to wear, so this like pop of orange, perfect. Alrighty, now moving on to the next one. This one right here is also from the same seller as the other one. We have another Balenciaga t-shirt. This one is from the Speed Hunters collection. This one right here, It's the only flaw that I find on this particular t-shirt is the fact that it's very long. Otherwise, I really like it. I'm actually thinking about tailoring the length to my fit. But apart from that, I do not have any complaints. The graphic is really good for what you're paying, at least. The tags, you know, we have the proper tags. On the back, we have the speed hunters and all the dates. I do have a reel wearing this t-shirt. I did like an outfit of the day a couple of days ago, and I went ahead and got this shirt. So yeah, another Balenciaga shirt. Alrighty, now moving to the last t-shirt. This one right here is not from DHGATE. This actually came from the app called Grailed. I believe this may be some sort of like a vintage shirt. I won't even lie to you. I bought it because I liked the graphic. I don't know if this is a show, a movie, a band. I don't know what this is. Please don't roast me. I just liked the graphic, the color, and when I received it in the mail and I now have it in my hands, I can say I don't regret buying this t-shirt. The price was a little bit high, I'm not gonna lie, but the shirt is very thin. It is not heavy at all, but the quality feels really good. And the most important thing to me, it falls perfect on my body. Like, it just flows nicely. So right here we have this, like, it says Kiv Brozil Brozy. I don't know how to read the word that's at the bottom, but here we have this graphic t-shirt. It's kind of like, I found it on the vintage like section. I don't know if this is vintage. I am so sorry. I don't mean to offend or trigger anybody's anger, but I don't know. I just saw it. I placed a bid and seller accepted it. So here's the shirt, and I really like it. I cannot wait to do an outfit photo with it. I have worn this shirt. I have worn all the shirts that I showed you except for the Casablanca one. Unfortunately, I haven't taken photos with any of the t-shirts except with the Ami Paris one. Alrighty, so I am pretty much done with everything that I needed to show you. Stay tuned for the video dropping on Monday, which will be my first vlog ever made on the channel. So that video is about 20 minutes long, so hopefully you guys enjoy it and you guys can get to understand what happens behind the scenes. On Wednesday next week, we are posting another DHGATE haul. I have about 5 to 6 items here in front of me that I have yet to open, so I'm about to record those videos right now. And then next Saturday, I don't know if I'm gonna post the second vlog that I'm editing right now. I'm not sure, but I have a few videos lined up. I just need to decide which ones come out what days. So hopefully you guys are excited for that. Thank you all so much for the support. If you made it all the way to the end, that means a lot to me. And above everything, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Likes and comments on the videos really do help us creators, you know, to make our time worth. And Instagram too, you know, I'm putting a lot of effort on bringing reels, at least 2 or 3 reels every single week. So all the support on all my platforms means the world to me. Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.